If you have an online course and you aren't exactly getting the results that you want, then there may be an issue that of course can surely be solved with the right strategy, tactics, and mindset. Hi, I'm Sauce from Uteach, and we make videos all about e-learning, course creation, digital entrepreneurship, and so much more. So if you are interested in that kind of content, then make sure you do subscribe to our channel and of course hit the notification bell. We do upload every Wednesday and Friday. Today I'm going to be talking about some of the few reasons why your course may not be selling, but don't worry, I will be breaking down a few helpful tips that of course you can acquire in order to start selling out. So let's talk about why your course may not be selling. Many influencers and bloggers who have a relatively large audience do have the confidence to create and sell a very successful course to their audience and of course new people who may have stumbled upon them on the internet. And many of them are actually very confident and assured that their course will take off and sell out like crazy. Let's think about it. You've built an engaging online community, you have a tribe who actually worships and trusts your opinion, they respect your knowledge and your expertise, and of course view you as an authority figure in your specific niche. Niche or niche, I'm not sure. And many of them are actually dying to learn from you and figure out all the secrets that you have used in order to create this massive empire that you've built for yourself. Come to time to launch and you actually do end up selling out to hundreds and thousands and maybe even more to your students and people who are actually interested in that specific course. And some of them even actually waited a very long time to learn from you. This can last up to a few good months or even a year, depending on how well you actually market your course. But is this the only way to ensure that your course will actually sell out forever? Absolutely not, you guys. Because in the long run, the people who have learned from you eventually move on to different programs. And unless you constantly spend a majority of your day organically finding new people, the chances are that this sellout course high that you're on is going to eventually have to come down and spiral downward, unfortunately. Basically, your sales will start to become stagnant. We believe creating an actual sales system and of course funnel can bring in daily customers to you and eventually get leads, which of course then leads to conversions. Testing it out on your organic audience first, and this way you can get the hang of things and then you can paid ads behind it to sell at scale. So many course creators and digital entrepreneurs swear by the magic of paid ads and of course campaigns to convert new customers every single day. And some have even recorded bringing in more than $200,000 a month by net revenue simply by automated ads. And you may stop and think, but what if my course is a very low ticket offer? Does creating a sales funnel still apply to me? It all depends on your set goals that you have for your business and whether you have another product to upsell to the people who are actually interested in buying that one specific product that you have automated an ad for. But say your course is not so cheap and it costs around maybe $500 or $1,000. But believe us when we say it is nearly impossible to constantly sell to a newer audience without an automated funnel that addresses buyer hesitation at every step. So our question for you today is, what step are you going to take to leverage sales for your already existing sales course? What can you work on or improve to change your online business? Let us know in the comments down below, and we would love to chat with you about it and provide as much valuable information as possible. If this video gave you value and answered some of your questions, we would really appreciate if you hit the like button and of course subscribe to our channel if you are interested in e-learning, course creation, and digital entrepreneurship. If you would like to learn more about funnels and how you can successfully use them to skyrocket your brand and of course leverage, then make sure you let us know in the comments down below, or you can send an email to our team. You can find all the necessary information in the description box, and we would love to create a video in the future that will address all your questions on that specific topic. I'm Sauce from Uteach. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.